Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language setting in the Amazon application on your mobile device. If you want to change the language setting on your Amazon shopping application, first of all, open the app on your device, and once you're inside the home page, after logging in, tap on the human icon at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you get to this page, go to the top right section and you will see a flag displayed on the screen. Simply tap on that. Here, you can go ahead and select your language options, tap on the language option, and then select a different language you want to change to from the list. Soon after you do that, you will see the language change immediately. Click on Final or Apply, and then your application will be reloaded in your chosen language. Changing the language on Amazon is a quick way to make your shopping experience easier and more personalized. You can switch back anytime if you want to return to your previous language. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.